Hello and welcome everyone. Long time no see. This is a tutorial on how to meditate. I prepared a gong so we can start our meditation session. And I will hit the gong with my hammer. And because this is not a real gong, but a Microsoft Paint gong, I will add the sound of the gong in post-production. And when I hit the gong, we will start the meditation session. So get ready, sit down so you can be comfortable in front of your computer screen or in front of your phone screen, or maybe in front of your tablet screen. But the most important thing is to be calm and be very happy and calm. And 1, 2, 3. Welcome to the meditation session. First, in the beginning, you realize that there's no ego, there's no self, there's nothing to notice in the meditation. And once you have noticed that there's no ego, nothing, then you can watch carefully the breath in the nose. So feel your nose, the area where the nose and the breath are touching, like this, where the breath is touching, and feel how the touching is feeling in the consciousness, and feel it and ask yourself, who is it? And you will see this is no one is touching your nose. It's not you. And then you can go further into the meditation and breathe and you are very happy and calm and happy, calm, and also you are not, it's all an illusion. Here the ego is not really there. It's that the ego is not there, is very happy and calm. And if you notice you're not listening, then listen again and look for the breath and the nose. And this is it.